That the academics life will not be wasted in the mighty name of Jesus.
We are a foundation that sponsors children to school. We believe in sending children to school because they are the leaders of tomorrow. And as a foundation, we are committed to ensuring that children have access to basic education, which is from the primary to the secondary level, which is why the foundation has decided to sponsor the education of these children. We are also going to be partnering with the school to ensure that the learning environment is very conducive. And are going to be ensuring that children have access to everything that they need in the school.